Nadia's first time out in the snow to play.
There you go, little girl.
She's 11 months old. She's not moving too much because she's so bundled up.
Turn back around. Go by Mama.
Here comes Nadia.
Let's go over by the pine tree, Nadia.
Whee!
Not moving much, huh?
Nadia, where's the tree? Nadia? Oh, there's the tree. You got it.
Yeah.
You like it?
Thinking about eating it. Okay, let's go back towards the house now.
Okay, Nadia,
Here we
say
go.
bye-bye. Nadia. Nadia. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.